Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I'm going to teach you a drawing with the help of Om. Here you can see a sign of Lord Shiva, Om. With the help of Om, I am going to make it one more element of Lord Shiva, Nandi. I am going to make it with the help of Om. So take it your marker, thin and fatty marker. Yeah, I'm going to start. This is my Om and I'm converting this Om into a Nandi. Here one slanting line, one more slanting line going towards downside for making the face. Here a face of a Nandi. A leg of a Nandi, front leg. Here I'm going to make it a horn with a dark tone. Again one more horn with a dark tone. Here I'm going to make it ears, and with a thin detailing marker I'm going to make it eyes. Here nose. So it's a face of Nandi. Now I'm going to make it a hump on a back by connecting on the top. This is a back portion where Nandi is sitting. A back leg of the Nandi. Here a tail of a Nandi. Here Nandi is ready. Now I'm going to fill color inside. Little bit colorful color I'm going to make it. I'm using my brush marker. Here I covered it yellow. Here I am covering with red. Even also you can make it by your own colors, your desirable color. If you want to fill it, you can fill it. Not necessary that you have to make it with red and yellow. I like the combination of yellow and the red, so I'm going to fill it red and yellow. Even also you can take it orange, it will be said to be as a complementary color. Cover the white dots so your color will be look nice, perfect. Blue color with the ear. And here with the help of Om, our Nandi is ready.